trading bar. This indicator add to MT4 account, open to Chrome browser and selected your folder and tried MT4 indicator. This download site. This indicator using loading problem. Wait, download zip file. Downloaded. The download is complete. Go back to folder and download folder. Click here to this is copy right now. Copy and go back MT4 account. Open file. Open data folder. MQL4 indicator and paste this. And this and paste to permission, allow it and okay. Okay, this indicator is supported. Okay, bye bye.